Hello guys and welcome back to my channel, and today I'm going to show you how you can connect your Battle.net account to your Twitch account. So firstly open up your web browser, then log into your Battle.net or blizzards.com, then just simply open up Twitch and also log in into your Twitch account in that very same browser. So after that what you have to do is just simply go to the Blizzards account, then just simply click on your username over here, then go to account settings, then click on connections over here, then scroll down and over here you will find Twitch. So just simply click on connect over here. Then over here there is a warning that you will not be able to connect any other Twitch account to your account till 7 days. So just keep that in mind. Then just press continue. As you can see, after pressing continue, you can see the Twitch account that was logged in to the very same browser was also linked to my Battle.net account. So after that, just simply press continue. And then as you can see, my Twitch account has been connected to my Battle.net account. So after doing all of that, just simply go back to connections and you will find your Twitch account right over here. So that's it. And thank you for watching, and do like and subscribe to my channel.